So today I decided to go shopping. Let's see what I got. So the first thing is this here. So these are multimeter probes and a pair of crocodile clips. These ones are very useful. I have needed this for a while. So the reason I bought these two is because I have been using this. As you can see, they are not in good condition. So these ones have to go, and these are the replacements. So I mean, they are very, I can't compare the quality of the two. These ones are better. So the second thing I bought are these. So these are 9-volt multimeter batteries. So the one I'm using right now is almost getting drained, and since it's not rechargeable, so I decided to buy two. So these are very cheap, and one will go for a few months. So lately I have been having trouble when trying to apply some hot glue on items that I'm working on. So I decided to buy this. So this is a glue gun. It's 60 watts, and this one will be very useful. And also I bought a few glue sticks. So you insert this in there, and then you apply like this. So the glue stick melts and oozes out through this hole. There is a tiny hole here. The glue will ooze out through this point. So this again a very useful tool. Again, nowadays I'm having a lot of gadgets plugged in to my wall, I mean to my socket, and I'm running out of space. So I decided to go and look for this. So this is a part of a UPS. So it has some very nice sockets. So we are going to use this to make a power extension. So since these sockets can carry a decent amount of current, this one will be useful. So you are wondering why I decided to buy this instead of buying a new power extension. So as we all know, right now we have an issue with e-waste. It's an issue that is worldwide. So the more and more electronics are being manufactured, the more we are piling up on the e-waste. So reusing some of these parts is a very good way of curbing that. So this one is from UPS, and we are going to make as I have said, we are going to make a very nice bench wall socket. So I bought two of these. So I think now the issue of running out of power sockets will be handled. So this will be a project of by its own for making the bench or the workbench power sockets. So nice. If you work on a project and you need you realize that the components are getting hot, you need cooling, and that is the purpose of these fans. So they are not new, again reusing. These are from old computer cases, so I will be reusing this for cooling some few components. Again, reusing parts from old electronic gadgets in order to curb the issue with e-waste. Again, when I'm working, I realize I leave a ton of dust on the bench, and sometimes I drop some dirt on my floor. So with that, I realized I need a vacuum cleaner. So instead of buying a new vacuum cleaner, I decided that we should make one. So that is the purpose of this big guy. So this is a very powerful fan, very useful fan. This is a server fan. If we try to open it, of course it's a Delta. So if you are aware, Delta makes some good fans. So this is a 4.8 ampere 12 volt DC fan. So it's a high speed fan. We are going to use this to make a DIY vacuum cleaner. Also, so I bought this hose together with this hose, this pipe here. We are going to make that vacuum cleaner. So that one is a project also on its own, so stay tuned, and we are going to do that later. Now on to our before we go to the grand finale, so here is thermopaste. So thermopaste, the one I had got finished, so I bought a new one. So this I will be using to apply on transistors, ICs, before you boot them on heatsink, so that for proper thermocoupling. So now on to our grand finale. So I think this was the best part of the shopping. As you can see, so I've always loved drones, so I decided I should make one later. So I'm buying these parts. These are drone parts. So if you are familiar with drones, this here is called a BLDC. This is a brushless DC motor. This is what is used to make drones and RC cars. So I bought one. Also, it comes with this speed controller. This one, speed controller, controlling the motor. I think this one will make a very nice project in the future. So since these parts are somehow expensive, so I decided to buy them in pieces. So this is the first piece. So I'm supposed to buy four of these. This is the first piece. and maybe later I'll buy the rest. So after I'm done buying them, then we can sit down and try to make a drone, which I know we are going to manage. So that's it for the shopping. So I mean, these are the kind of things I buy. Well, it's kind of if you are a geek of some kind or a nerd, so these are the things you find yourself buying. So stay tuned, and remember to subscribe, share, and like. So see you next time.